Guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this new video is all about German vocabulary specifically for office and meeting. We're gonna learn different vocab specifically for office and meetings. I hope you're gonna love this video. I hope you're gonna shower lots of love. In case you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation. Guys, what not? So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
German vocabulary for office and meetings. Let's start with the basic office vocab, starting with workplace and people. So the first word is Das Büro means office. Das Unternehmen means company. Der Chef or die Chefin means boss. Der Kollege, die Kollegin means colleague. Der Mitarbeiter means employee. Der Manager is manager. Der Geschäftsführer is CEO. Der Praktikant is intern. Second is departments and work structure. The first is die Abteilung means department. Second, die Marketingabteilung means marketing department. Die Aufgabe means task. Das Projekt is project. Die Verantwortung is responsibility. Next is time and scheduling. Der Termin means appointment. The deadline is deadline. Pünktlich is on time or punctual. Verspätet is late. Rechtzeitig means in good time. Verschieben is to postpone. And beginnen is to begin. Meetings means Besprechungen. The first word, die Besprechung means meeting. Das Meeting is also meeting. Die Konferenz is conference. Die Tagesordnung is agenda. Das Protokoll is minutes. And leiten, which is a verb, is to lead. Next, giving opinion or Meinung äußern. So you can use meiner Meinung nach means in my opinion, and right after this comes verb. Then ich denke das means I think that. Ich bin der Meinung dass means I am of the opinion that. Ich stimme dir or Ihnen zu means I agree. Ich sehe das anders means I see it differently. Ich bin nicht ganz einverstanden means I don't fully agree. Next, phrases which you can use for asking questions in meetings. The first one, können Sie das bitte erklären? Second, haben ich das richtig verstanden, das? Third, können Sie das wiederholen? Wiederholen means to repeat. So can you please repeat that? Next, Entschuldigung, ich habe das nicht ganz verstanden means excuse me, I didn't understand it properly. And the last one, gibt es noch Fragen means are there any questions? Here comes some email vocabulary. Die E-Mail is email. Die Nachricht is message. Der Anhang is attachment. Next, weiterleiten is to forward. And the last one, antworten is to reply. Now, let's see some common phrases. The first one, bitte finden Sie den Anhang means please find the attachment. Second, ich habe Ihnen die E-Mail weitergeleitet means I have forwarded the email to you. And the third one, ich melde mich bei Ihnen. Vocabulary related to presentations. So the first word is die Präsentation means presentation. Die Folie is slide. Das Diagramm is chart. Die Grafik is graphic. Die Statistik is statistics, and Vorstellen is to present. Next vocabulary is for problem solving and work progress. The first word is das Problem is problem. Die Lösung is solution. Die Herausforderung is challenge. Die Verbesserung is improvement. And finden is to find. The last one, professional closing phrases. Vielen Dank für Ihre Zeit means thank you so much for your time. Wir bleiben in Kontakt. We'll stay in touch. Dann schließen wir das Meeting. So here we end the meeting. So these are the some phrases which you can use when you close some meeting.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope now you're an expert of German vocabulary for office and meeting. So guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.